You've put a lot of time into creating a landing page and a website setup. You log into your analytics site and see a big, fat 0. The concept of build it and they will come doesn't work on the internet, so you need to ask yourself, am I using the right approach to drive free traffic for my affiliate marketing approach? Hey everybody, welcome to Make Money Online. If you're looking for how to drive free traffic to your website, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to reveal some easy ways to get potential leads to your web pages without grinding for hours over and over. It's understandable that frustration can arise when you do try to figure it out, but don't worry, because today we're going to share the top ways to drive free traffic for affiliate marketing. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to get access to the newest content as it comes out, plus prioritize responses to your comments. Now let's get started. Number 1, increase website traffic through Google. There are 2 key ways to increase your website traffic through Google. The first is to take advantage of your business profile. Even if your business is entirely online, you can still optimize your business information to come up as a legitimate business in the search engine's eyes. The biggest benefit of filling out your Google business profile is Google will see you as a legitimate business, increasing the likelihood for it to recommend you to others. For example, if your business profile provides all the key information for leads to make the right decisions, such as ratings, address, contact info, and a website, you're more likely to be recommended ahead of other incomplete profiles. The variance between the 2 of these could get you 7 times more visits. The second way is to maximize your search engine optimization. Search engine optimization, commonly abbreviated as SEO, will get you a competitive advantage when someone is typing in keywords related to your niche. Within your high-quality content, there are key meta descriptions you need to take advantage of. The meta is what appears under each link of a Google search. It helps the search engine spiders know what your web page is about to help users click on relative content. So let's say your keyword is how to lose weight. Then within the text article of your website, you need about 2 to 3% amount of that keyword amongst all of your text. Now that doesn't mean to go in there and just start spamming it everywhere. That won't work and will usually get you removed from the search entirely. However, work on creating sentences that make it easy for the free traffic to flow to your website. It also helps to evenly space the keyword throughout your article, with at least the first keyword appearing within the first 90 characters of the article. Another way to really dominate the first page of a search engine is to focus on long-tail keywords. Although short keywords such as lose weight are searched at much higher volumes, it is also exponentially harder to rank for them since you're competing with established businesses. Instead, focus on long-tail keywords to give you a better chance to rank on the first page, which will drive more free traffic to your website for affiliate marketing. Using the lose weight example, you can turn it into a long-tail keyword by using wording such as how to lose weight for stay-at-home moms, or struggling to lose weight with diabetes. These long-tail keywords are not searched as heavily as the broad short keyword, but it is much easier to rank first on search engines while also creating the opportunity for hyper-focused visitors to come to your website. Number 2, maximize social media. Whether you're using Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, and so on, social media allows you to drive traffic across platforms. This means you can utilize your following on all of these social accounts to send free traffic for affiliate marketing efforts to your landing pages. Even if you have nothing to promote, you can promote yourself to build your brand. For example, recommend your Facebook group to go check out your YouTube channel or your Instagram. You can literally create a spider web across your own brand to where as you continue to grow and extend your reach, you'll have a network of fans that follow you everywhere since they see you on every platform. To simplify the approach of keeping multiple social media accounts up to date without having to update them individually, check out scheduling applications such as Hootsuite, Buffer, and Later. These applications will allow you to schedule a post once and have it automatically update everywhere else. This multiplies your exposure while reducing the amount of work you have to do. In addition to automating your posting, utilize keywords on your post, specifically through hashtags. When you add a hashtag to a post, you're categorizing your content, which niches you down into a specific area of expertise. Doing so allows you to extend your reach beyond your current following by increasing your chances of getting discovered by users that happen to be searching for the same keywords. Simply put, the more users that get exposed to your link, the more traffic your website will see. Most importantly, when on social media, it is important to be social. I know this sounds obvious, but so few actually do it. Most post content and assume people will watch it. However, in order to thrive on social media, you must interact with your audience. For example, if someone comments on your post, it would be in your best interest to reply back and also put a reaction status on their comment. To build excitement around your audience, always leave the response open. If someone says "great post" or "nice," it can seem very hard to continue the conversation. A simple thanks is the usual response, but that ends the conversation. Instead, ask them a question to get more engagement and continue conversation. Let's say you're focused on losing weight still. If someone says a short comment, you should respond with something like, "Thank you, I'm glad you liked the post. What are your weight loss goals?" Not only are you acknowledging their comments since they took the time out of their day to respond, but you are also making an attempt to keep the conversation going. The more responses and interaction, the more likely you'll rank higher when users are searching for similar content. Everyone loves being a part of a group. It is human instinct. Be actively engaging with your audience, and you'll find that people begin to come to you because they know they'll get a response. So if you found this video helpful so far, make sure to click the like button and subscribe for more great training and prioritized response on your comments. Also, if you're interested in discovering more about how to build a business to make money online in the most automated way possible, then be sure to check out the link in the description to get instant access to key tips that'll help jumpstart your journey. Number 3, online authority. Getting listed on search engines, online directories, and review sites builds your street cred on the internet. For directories and review sites, your website's link can be embedded into your profile. From there, it is a numbers game. Put in the effort to updating your listings consistently and focus on getting positive reviews. Together, this will drive more traffic because search engines will see you as a legitimate authority on the internet. As an example, if you use review directories such as Yelp and your overall rating is 4 stars or better, then you'll have a strong domain authority in Google's eyes. The first reason is because Yelp is a trusted major company, so if your reviews on there are legitimate, other search engines will follow the recommendation of the review site. Second, your ratings will drive potential traffic to your site because your business profile could rank higher for relevant searches. Another way to increase your authority is to build a network of backlinks. A backlink is simply a hyperlink that points to your website from another domain. The more backlinks your site has, the more increased trust is placed on your online reputation by the search engines. Similar to how Yelp in the example above can count as a backlink, the more you have, the more authority you'll gain online. Maximize your success by seeking backlinks from businesses that are willing to promote you, as well as influencers. These approaches will get your reputation in front of larger audiences while also driving targeted traffic to your website. Now, if you really want to maximize your success with these approaches, click this video here to learn more about 5 great ways to make money online. As always, here's to your success, and I'll see you in the next video.